Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting a two-part mandala art tutorial series. This is part 1. We will begin by drawing concentric circles using a compass. Try to space them out evenly so we have enough room for each pattern. I am using a black sketchbook and a variety of colored gel pens. You can use any colors you love. The first pattern is a petal inspired shape with tiny dotted accents. It is a great way to warm up your hand and focus on spacing and symmetry. This is part 1 where I will show you how to draw the first 6 colorful and beautiful mandala patterns on black paper. This is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to relax and enjoy the creative process. Now moving on to pattern number 2, a line and leaf style. This gives a lot of rhythm and flow to the mandala and looks so aesthetic in colors. Please subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Now comes to the pattern 3. Our third pattern is based on arcs and dots. It's a very satisfying and calming design. Keep your hand steady and take your time with each stroke. This color also looks so pretty, am I right? Let me know in comments which is your favorite color. Next is a curved triangle motif. This one adds a bit of structure to your circular design and looks so soothing once repeated around the ring. I used white color pen to make the dots so that it looks pretty. Fifth pattern uses straight lines in a fan-like style. It brings contrast and a bold look to your mandala. Don't worry about your perfection, just enjoy the process. As I said earlier, it is part 1. I hope you are enjoying these 6 patterns. In part 2, we will continue with more detailed and stunning designs. It's time to make pattern 6. Finally, we will make a small dot and wave pattern. It's a floral pattern actually, simple but elegant. It acts as a great transition to more complex designs in part 2. I hope you are enjoying a lot while watching this video. And please, if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel. Like, share and comment on this video. Stay tuned for the next part. Thank you so much for watching.